Alright, Kira, look at me. Don't touch it with a stick.
Brakes? Daddy, do you want me to put up the brakes?
I don't want you to throw the sticks away.
Why?
Keep an eye on that big jump. Are you ready?
Yes?
Put the sticks down. Throw them away.
No.
Alright, are you ready? Here we go. Chad Hill. I got snow everywhere.